Well, I don't know if you can see me guys, but back at New I had to get up really early this morning to beat the mud. Look, that's the slipway. I don't think you can see it really well. It's really muddy down there. Simpson Marine again. Managed to get it in the water. So lucky I didn't get coated with mud this time. I was here about 4:15 this morning. So little girl's gonna turn up when she wakes up. I'm not in no rush. Just wanted to rush to get it in. So yeah, I think here we go guys, it's me again. Lights come up a bit, but look, that's why I've come down early to avoid all that mud. I'm hoping I still can get around that yacht there and get out. I'm gonna have to move now before Little Legs turns up and hopefully find a way of getting her on. Yeah, so she's well shallow. Is she moving the boat? Yeah, the boat's still moving, so that's good. So glad you could join us, Sky, for your nice little lay-in. Hey?
Yeah, I'm excited.
We can get the Mr. Bass, shall we?
Yeah, let's get a Mr. Bass. That's what we're aiming for today.
Yep. Lures on. Alright guys, we're trolling now. Got 2 rods out. Plenty of fish life on the screen there, look, loads of fish. Probably just mackerel or whatever at the moment. I suppose we could always have a little go for them, couldn't we?
Yeah.
See what they are. So what do you think so far, Sky? No fish yet?
No fish yet, but it's really fun. I've steered the boat, we forgot to record. So I was steering and Daddy's not, he was doing the knots on his fishing thing, and we were and I was steering, and we're gonna go to the fish now and hopefully get some fish.
Yeah, you've done really good at steering, didn't you? Really good. Yeah, we can come in near a spot you normally get them. So hopefully we'll start seeing some fish. Tide's still got a long way, big tide today, still got a long way to come up yet. So yeah, plenty of time, plenty of time. So yeah, see how we get on. Okay, Sky's steering the boat. Gives me
Doing really well.
You are doing well. Gives me a break. From here, I can see both the rods without actually breaking my neck. Where are you going? Heading for that tower. Yeah, no, you don't. No, it's opposite. You get used to it. The old crew member, look, doing our duties, cleaning the boat as we go.
Yep.
Good job, darling. Can we reel that in quicker? By the time we get it up, it'll be... Right, just do the same, put it on the side, like we've done before. There you go. It's all yours.
Thank you.
This guy's got another fish on, it's their turn. Put your tongue away. Take it easy. I'm going to try and get away without landing in a landing net, because last time it was a pain in the butt trying to get it out of it. Well done, darling. Keep the rod up a little bit higher. Ah, it's only a little bit. Oh, hello. Oh, stop on it. Little babby. Little babby one.
You didn't get it in his mouth. It's good. Hey, baby, can I help?
I don't see handles. This is it. 12.5 miles an hour, 13.